So guys, now we are checking out from a hotel IC stay. So it's an automatic checkout. So let's see how it's done. I'll show you all how it's done. First we select our language, English. Then it's a bit slow system, but then check out. Enter your check-in code.
क्या था?
So we have put the code here. Let's see what happens then. Okay. So we'll proceed. We haven't left anything behind to check out. Okay. Okay, checkout is complete. So back to top. And that's done. Okay. So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, The Small Travel Agent. Then I'm back with another vlog, and sadly, today we are going back to India. Like always, all my last vlogs while leaving the countries are always sad. Like I get sad, like I don't like leaving whichever place I go to. Like when we were in Vietnam, I didn't want to leave that. When we were in Dubai, that was like seriously crying because that's like home away from home. Singapore ठीक था, मतलब that was time pass. But yeah, these countries have been amazing. So yeah, we are going back to India today, and we are in Narita Express at the moment. We took the Yamanote line from Ikebukuro to Tokyo, and from Tokyo we took the Narita Express, and we are heading towards the airport. We'll be traveling the same airline, Anna Airways, as we came, like in the airline we came to Tokyo. Nothing different. Let's see how the food is, and we might go to the priority lounge, right? So yeah, we might go to the priority lounge because if we have time, we are actually late. Our flight is at 11:15, 11:10, 11:15, and at the moment it's 8:19. So mostly we won't be able to go because yet another. Actually, we can go. We can actually go. We'll try to go. Let's see how much time it takes in immigration and security check-in and check-in all. Okay, now let's head towards the airport. So guys, actually, there's this lock system. I'll show you all how it works here in Japan. So guys, in Narita Express, not only Narita Express, actually in Shinkansen and Narita Express, they have given this kind of lock system. So actually, we have locked a few bags already over here. I'll show you all. We have not locked these down niche wale, because there's this bar which they have kept to keep the luggage not to move over here. But this upper wala, I was scared. So yeah, I'll show you how to lock it. So there's this strap which they have kept over here. So you take this out, you put this on this handle of the bag, and then get this out, and put it here, and put your password, like a 4-digit password. So I'm keeping 1, 2, 3, 4, and then lock it. So now no one can get your bags out because this thing is locked. This door is locked, you can't open it. Now if I want to open it, 1, 2, 3, 4, open. Take this out. Take this out. Keep it here. So that's how you can lock your bags when you're in Narita Express and Shinkansen. In a few Shinkansens, you need to tap your IC card and do it. And guys, now our station is coming, so I need to unlock our bags fast. So let's go to the airport and I'll see you on there. So yes guys, we are boarded in the flight and I'm seeing Jumanji at the moment, and the flight is about to take off. So also we didn't vlog anything at the Narita airport because it's not that big. The flight is like, I'll show you all how the flight takes off. That's why always I show you know, my mom has captured the window seat today, so she will get that footage of the takeoff. So that's why it might be a little bad. Okay, so yeah, the flight is about to take off now. Let's go. So as I told you all in the last vlog that we might be doing the unboxing in the flight of the products we bought yesterday from Big Camera. So yeah, as I told you all, we had bought a watch, headphones, and also 2 controllers for me. So the controllers are in the back, but we got the watch and the earphones. And at the moment, by the way guys, we are above Fukuoka. Yeah. Here you can see we are above Japan. So a last glimpse of Japan which we are getting at the moment. So I'm sad because we are leaving Japan after such a wonderful trip. But now, like this should get us a smile on our face. So yeah, let's do the unboxing. I know this bag which they gave us is very shabby, but okay. Let's unbox it. So these are the JBL Tour Pro 2 earphones, and we also got an Apple Watch SE Gen 2 Starlight version. So I don't know why, but this has become a tech channel now.
These brothers my guys, know that we fly, know that they ride or die.
So first let's unbox the Apple Watch. First, this feeling when you unbox Apple is amazing. So yeah, this is how the band looks. Now we'll unbox the band dial. Now the feeling is going to come. Now that feeling is going to come. Apple ka feeling, Apple. This is the dial, a 44mm dial. Stop laughing, kid. And this is the charger, that normal dial charger which they give. So let's open this. Okay, sorry, there was a technical glitch. Let's continue. Okay, so side, this side. So this is the dial which we have got. Let's keep it safely. Now let's get on to the earphones. Okay guys, actually first let's unbox the band also. The last time my mom got the watch, that was from US. So that time one of our friend, he had unboxed this watch, but now this time we are getting this feel. one technical difficulty later. Okay. So I was giving that thing to I let my dad unbox that because it's his watch, so he should unbox. He should गलत हो गया. Okay. So I'll put this on this. Why my channel has become a tech channel now. Apple iWatch. So yes guys, I've switched it on. It's working. No need to worry. It's working. Okay, so guys, while watching the Minion Rise of Gru, our lunch has completed. So let's see what they have given us. Okay, butter chicken with palak paneer, I guess, spinach and tofu. Then this is a bun. Then some caramel custard. Then a salad, a Greek salad, and some fish salad which they have here. I guess it's fish only. Let's try it out. Okay. So let's try it. Okay. It's very fishy, very fishy. Now let's go on to this butter chicken. So it's there now. Butter paper and this they have given, so yeah, let's try this. One piece of chicken, rice, very amazing. Let's try rice. The rice with gravy is very good. Now let's have a try of the chicken. The gravy and all is very good. One of the best Indian meals I've had in Japan. But the chicken contains a bit of skin, which I don't like. So guys, after eating this palak paneer and butter chicken, it was very good. Palak paneer was actually very good. I tried the salad. I'm not a person who eats salad a lot, so I ate thoda. Okay, one more bite. So on average, the food was pretty good, but the flight wasn't. The food was pretty good. Now I'll enjoy some movie. We had 6 hours 43 minutes left. And guys, after we are done with our lunch, the JBL opening is coming up. The JBL. Okay. Hello guys. So guys, now as I told you, we are going to be unboxing the JBL Tour Pro 2. So it's a digital, it's a touch screen display which they have over here. So yeah, as I told you in the last vlog, unboxing, even my dad had told you, remember, right? Unboxing above the clouds. It's a clear sky at the moment actually, but a little bit but theek hai, chalo. We are about China at the moment, guys. Yeah. So let's unbox this very unique first in the world. This headphones with a touch screen. Okay, let's go. How does it look? One technical Here comes the main headphones out. This is how it looks. Man, like this is better unboxing than a phone, man. Like yeah, it's expensive than a phone, so of course the unboxing would be better. So yeah, this is how the pods look like. The earbuds. This is the charger. Oh, sorry, not the charger. These are the buds which you'll get. So like small, medium, large, XL. So it goes that way. So I guess there's no charger which they have given. There's no charger. Okay, never mind. Let's open this. There's a charger. Let's see that afterwards. Let's open the main thing. Okay, we open this. We open this. Okay. So we have bought this in golden color. And it's heavy. So yes, this is like this. They have put a picture out here. So let's see how does this open. Yeah. Here are the pods. Here's how it looks like. And it's pretty premium. It's pretty premium. So yes guys, it was fun unboxing the iWatch first and then the JBL Tour Pro 2 earpods. It was fun. Now let's enjoy the view of China. And your flight is taking a bit of turn. Okay, it was taking a bit of turn. We are pretty late, but the view of China is pretty good. Like there was this small industrial hub which had come in the middle, and that was also pretty good. So yeah.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't